Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In a previous video, we took a look at how to use Aiarty Image Matting to do high-quality background removal and how to deal with tricky details in the image like transparent dress or hair. We also talked about the AI Detect feature in Aiarty Image Matting and how it can automatically recognize each element in the photo for a precise background removal when dealing with multiple objects in the image. So if you want to know more details about Aiarty Image Matting, then please don't forget to watch the first video as it contains more details and information about the software. And in today's video, we will learn how to use Aiarty Image Matting to remove the background behind transparent glass, and how to use the batch export feature to remove the background from multiple images all at once. So let's start by importing our first image. And let's make sure that Alpha Standard version 2 model is selected as it works best for glass and transparent objects. We will keep all other settings as is, and we will only expand the Refinement tab to make sure that smooth processing and outline emphasis options are checked. And after that, the processing is done in few seconds. We will get a good quality result, as usual. Now we can change the background color to any color of our choice. Or we can easily select or import any background image we want. We can use the Move tool to adjust the position of the foreground layer, or to adapt the size of the image without losing its quality. Now, to fix the opacity of the glass, we will use the Eraser tool. And then we need to adjust the alpha parameter, the hardness, and the size of the brush, and making sure that no reverse erasing allowed option is checked. And then let's zoom in a little bit to get more control over the details. Then we will start drawing over the glass to decrease its transparency as shown. We can always adjust the alpha parameter to increase or decrease the opacity of the brush depending on the density of the glass portion we are working on. Great, now we have a good-looking transparent glass. We can also add a blur effect on the background. And we can adjust the intensity of the effect as well, selecting any other type of blur from the available blur effect presets. We can also change the background to black and white, only with one click. Or changing the background photo entirely at any time we want. So here is the before and after comparison. And I think we've got a very high quality background removal easily and fastly with only few clicks. Now let's say we have multiple photos of one product or several products. And for example, we want to remove and change the background of all the images into a solid white color. The procedure can be time-consuming if we use traditional background removal methods or softwares, especially if we have a big number of photos that needs to be treated. And of course, This is where the importance of the bulk or batch export feature available in Aiarty Image Matting comes in handy. So we will take the following sneakers photos as an example to show you how the batch export feature works. We will only make sure that Alpha Standard version 2 model is selected and that Smooth Processing and Outline Emphasis options under the Refinement tab are checked. And then we will click on Start to start processing the first photo. Good. Now we will set the background color into white. And we can fix the edges of the product a little bit more by activating the feather effect. Also, we can play around with the Luma curve to clean up the product edges perfectly. Now to apply the same effects and settings to all the added images. All we have to do is activating the Apply Batch Export option, and then Aiarty Image Matting will apply your settings to all the other images during the export. Now all we have to do is going to the export settings, then making sure PNG 8-bit is selected and that the level is set to 9. Then we can click on Browse to choose an output folder for our export. Then let's click on Batch Export to start processing the images. Once the export is done, the output directory will automatically open. And by default, we will find out that Aiarty Image Matting is not only giving us the product images in white background, but also it will export the alpha channel for each image along with other versions of the image with and without each effect applied. So this is how the batch export feature available in Aiarty Image Matting can help us saving time and effort when it comes to bulk background image removal. Now, as a final step in today's tutorial, let's see how Aiarty Image Matting can easily cut out hair from the background. So let's import this beautiful lady photo to check the results. And since the imported photo resolution is low, then let's not forget that Aiarty Image Matting also comes with an AI image enhancer that can be used to enhance the resolution, the clarity, and the details of the imported image before removing the background. So from the Edit tab, we can select the more detailed GAN version 2 model, and we can upscale the image dimension and make it 2 times bigger. So let's click on Enhance Image to start the treatment. Good. Now, we will apply the same settings as before, and we will click on Start to remove the background. And once the background is removed, look how clean and high quality the hair cutout result that Aiarty Image Matting gives us. Let's change the background photo to check the results. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tutorial, and please don't forget to check the link in the description to download a free copy of Aiarty Image Matting for your Mac or PC and test the software for free. Once again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.